Hello students, welcome to topperseducation.com. In this video, we are going to discuss about the rational numbers between the two rational numbers. Here, as we already know that what is the rational number is nothing but it is expressed in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0 and both p and q are integers. And now let us see how to find the rational numbers in between two rational numbers. Here for this we have some of the steps, that is the first step is in determining the rational numbers between two rational numbers. First we have to check out the denominators. And now the second step is if the denominator values are same, then we should check the value of numerators. And next one, if the numerators or differ by a very large value, then the rational number between two rational numbers can be written in the increments of 1 for the numerator without altering the value of denominator. That is, it can be clearly understood when doing the example. And now the fourth step is that if the numerators are differed by a lesser value than the number of rational numbers to be found, then the numerators and the denominators of both the rational numbers are multiplied by multiples of 10. And now let us see some of the example based on these four steps. The first example is here, that is find 10 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. Here the given rational numbers are 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. According to the steps we have to check, that is the first step is we have to check the denominators of the given rational numbers. Here 7 and 7. Here both the denominators are same. And now through the second step, if the denominators are same, then we should check the values of numerator. And now here they asked to find the 10 rational numbers. So we have to multiply 10 for the given rational numbers. That is given 2 by 7 and 5 by 7, we should be multiplied and divided with 10. That is 2 by 7 into 10 by 10. Similarly 5 by 7 into 10 by 10. And then we will get 20 by 70 and 50 by 70. In between these two values we can find the 10 rational numbers very easily. That is in between them 21 by 70, 23 by 70, any you can write, 25 by 70, 29 by 70, 30 by 70, 31 by 70, 34 by 70, 40 by 70, 43 by 70 and finally 49 by 70. These are the 10 rational numbers between 2 by 7 and 5 by 7. And now let us see another example. Here is the another example, that is find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. And in the previous example we have seen the denominators are same. And now here the denominators is not equal. So let us see the procedure how to find the rational numbers between different denominators. That is here given 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. And for this, to find the rational numbers between these two values, we have to take the LCM here. The LCM of 3 and 4 is 12. We know that LCM is 12. And now this 12 to be multiplied and divided with these two numbers, that is 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 is given, and now the equivalent rational numbers for these two is here. This 2 by 3 should be multiplied and divided with 4. Then we will get the denominator same, that is 2 4s are 8 and 3 4s are 12. And similarly for 3 by 4 into, we will multiply it with 3 by 3, that is 3 3s are 9 and 12. And now here the denominators are equated, and now we can easily find the rational numbers between the given two rational numbers. If once the denominators are equated, the same rules of finding the rational numbers between two rational numbers having the same denominator as seen previously. And now let us see the another one. And here is the another example, that is find 5 rational numbers between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Here the given numbers are 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. For these two numbers, here the denominators are different. So first we should equate the denominators by taking the LCM method. That is, the LCM of 4 and 2 is 8. So the denominator should be 8. And now this 1 by 4 should be multiplied and divided with 2. Then we will get 2 by 8. And similarly 1 by 2 is multiplied and divided with 4. That is 4 by 8. And now the equivalent rational numbers for these two numbers is 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. And from this, here we can find the rational numbers, but here given that find 5 rational numbers in between 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. But here the denominators are same, then we should check the numerators. Here the difference between these two is very less. So we can't find the 5 rational numbers in between 2 by 8 and 4 by 8. And now we should use the fourth rule to find the rational numbers between these two numbers. So now in order to find the rational numbers, we should multiply and divide both the numerator and denominator with 10. That is 2 by 8 into 10 by 10. That is 20 by 80. And now for 4 by 8 into 10 by 10 is 40 by 80. And now in between 20 by 80 and 40 by 80, we can find the 20 rational numbers, but we need just only 5 rational numbers. We can write any of the 5 from 20, that is 21 by 80, 27 by 80, 33 by 80, 36 by 80 and 39 by 80. This is the procedure to find the rational numbers in between two rational numbers of different denominators. And this is the procedure for how to find the rational numbers in between given two rational numbers with same numerators and different numerators. And along with this, another procedure also is there. It is given in the previous videos. I will give the link in the description. You please once check it. And this is about the rational numbers between two rational numbers. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to get the channel notifications.